Hey, hello everyone, welcome to another CapCut Pc tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted object from your video. As you can see, I have lots of unwanted objects in my video. So I'm going to show you how you can remove these unwanted objects from your video. Let's see. First thing first, open CapCut PC. Click on Create Project. So this is our CapCut PC interface. Import your desired video. In my case, I'm going to import this one. So here is my video. If I just drag it into timeline, as you can see, I have some unwanted objects. So I want to remove these things from my video. For that, I need to click on this three line and hit on export still frame. It's need a name. I'm going to write edit and I need to select a folder where the still frame will be saved. In my case, I'm going to select downloads, select folder, and if I just click on export, so this frame will be exported as a PNG. So you need to open a browser. In my case, I'm going to open Google Chrome. Click on address bar and type cleanup.pictures. So this is the website. You need to click on here and select your still frame. Open, click on continue with SD. So this is your picture. You can increase or decrease your brush size. So it's smaller now, and if I just increase it, it will be bigger. So let me choose it's a medium size. I'm going to select this one. So the switchboard is vanish, and if I just paint on these areas, okay. So as you can see, unwanted objects are selected, vanish. I need to click on this area also. Voila, it's removed. So I need to click on download. I'm going to select the name, final. Go back to CapCut PC. Open the edited photo. Click on import, and here is our photo. Click open. If I just drag the photo into timeline, as you can see, the picture area, I can see the video. So it's a still frame. So how we can see the background? Let me adjust first the photo into whole video. Okay, I need to click on mask and click on circle. Okay, adjust the area how much you want to see the edited photo. So I want to just keep this mask area. So I think this mask is perfect, and if needed you can adjust the feather a little bit, but I don't think it's need. So if I just make a playback now, so unwanted things has been removed from our video. So that's how we can remove unwanted objects from your video. I hope you learned successfully how to remove unwanted object from your video using CapCut PC. If you did, give me a like. So if you want to learn CapCut PC and video editing, subscribe to this channel. I will catch you guys in the next one. Until then, goodbye.